Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2020 Honda Accord oil. Park on level ground, warm engine briefly, disconnect battery, lift front with jack and stands, remove oil fill cap, place drain pan under drain plug, remove plug and filter, let oil drain fully, replace plug, install new filter, add correct oil, check level on dipstick lower car, run engine and recheck. Follow safety steps, and consult owner's manual for layout tools and parts before starting to keep the job tidy and efficient. Use a 17 mm socket and oil filter wrench to remove the plug and filter without damage. Keep a drain pan and clean rags handy to catch spills and wipe surfaces. Use the oil type and quantity specified in the manual to protect the engine. Double-check torque specs and dispose of used oil responsibly at a recycling center. Start by running the engine a few minutes, then lift and secure the car with jack stands. Remove the drain plug and allow all oil to drain into the pan, then install the drain plug and torque to spec. Swap the oil filter for a new one, add the recommended oil quantity, and run the engine to circulate. Check the dipstick, inspect for leaks, and re-torque if necessary for a confident finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.